Chapter 1 Real Numbers, ninth class, Exercise 1.4. Second question. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational numbers. In that, first one, see here, root 3 is a irrational number. So, this is what? Irrational. This is irrational. Here also, root 2 is also a irrational number and root 3 is also irrational number. Both are irrational, so that's why this is also a irrational number. Next, what is given? A minus b whole square form, isn't it? So a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, this form, isn't it? Here a is equals to root 2, b is equals to 2. Solve it. That means a square minus 2 a b plus b square, isn't it? See here, this root this square cancel. That means that equals to 2 minus this 2 into 2, 4 root 2 plus 2 square, 2 2 is 4. So this 2 plus 4 means 6 plus 4, 6 minus 4 root 2, there is minus. So here this is a irrational number, so given that is what? Irrational. Given one is what? Irrational number. Now see fourth one in this. So 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. Numerator, denominator 7 7 cancel. That means 2 by 7. This is a rational number. This is a rational number. Next, 2 pi is given. 2 pi is also here. Pi is what? Irrational number. It is a irrational number. 1 by root 3. So root 3 means we already know. Root 3 means what? Irrational number. So that's why 1 by root 3 is also a irrational number. Next question. See here. This value is both are same. Here also both are same. So a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square formula. Now here a value is 2. See here, this. Next b value is root 2. See here, in the place of b, root 2. Now using this formula, that means a square means 2 whole square minus b square means root 2 whole square. Here 2 square means 2 2 is 4 minus here root square cancel, that equals to 2. 4 minus 2 means 2. So 2 is a rational number. So given this is what? Rational. Rational. Now move to next. Third, in the following equations, find whether the variable x, y, z, etc. represents rational or irrational numbers. See here, x square is given, applying square root on both sides. So it becomes square root x square, that is equals to square root 7. This square and this root cancel, that becomes x equals to root 7. So this is root 7 means what? Irrational. So given equation is also irrational. Given equation what? Irrational. Next, what is given? Second one, y square equals to 16. So apply root on both sides. That means under root y square, that equals to under root 16. This root square cancels. 16 can be written as 4 into 4, that can be written as 4 square, isn't it? Now this can be written as y equals to under root of 4 square. This root square cancel, that means what is the value? Y equals to 4. So 4 is what? Rational. So given one is rational. Next, z square equals to 0.02. Same, apply root on both sides. Under root z square is equals to under root of 0.02. This root square cancel, this becomes z equals to under root of 0.02. So this is irrational. This is irrational. Given equation is a irrational number. Next question. What is given? U square is equals to 17 by 4. Apply square root on both sides. That means under root square u square equals to square root of 17 by 4. Here root to square cancel. Now this can be written as under root of a by b equals to root a by root b form, like that. So that means u equals to root 17 by root 4. Now 4 can be written as 2 into 2, that equals to 2 square. Now that means u equals to under root 17 by root 2 square. This root square cancel, that means u equals to root 17 by 2. So a root 17 is a irrational. So given equation is also irrational. Given equation is also irrational. Now move to next question. See fifth one. W square equals to 27 is given. Apply square root on both sides. W square equals to square root of 27. See here, root square cancel. Now 27 can be written as 9 into 3. 9 once again written as 3 into 3. That means 9 can be written as 3 square, isn't it? Now W equals to under root of 9 into 3, that equals to W is equals to under root of 3 square into 3. Here root a into b equals to root a into root b formula we used here. That means W equals to root 3 square into root 3. This root square cancel. That means W is equals to 3 root 3. Here root 3 is what? Irrational. So given equation is what? Irrational number. Next, move to next question. T power 4 equals to 256 is given. Apply square root on both sides. That means square root of t power 4, that is equals to under root of 256. Means 256 can be written as 16 into 16, that is equals to 16 square. Now here square root and square cancel, is becomes t square. T power 4 can be written as t square, that is equals to under root of here 16 square. So here also root square cancel. Now t square equals to 16, isn't it? 16 can be written as 4 into 4, that is equals to 4 square. Apply square root on both sides. This equation becomes, writing here, square root t square, that is equals to square root 4 square. Cancel root square on both sides. 16 can be written as 4 square, isn't it? Now t equals to 4. 4 is what? Real. So that's why rational. Given equation is what? Rational number. All of you understood? Yes. Thank you. Here, remember here, root value is 1 by 2, but here is t power 4 is given. See here, t power 4 is given, whole power root means 1 by 2. See here, 4 into 1, 4 by 2. So that's why this 2, this 4 cancel, this becomes 2. This will happen here. So that's why we are cancel the root and 4, it becomes t square. Understood all of you? So this one. Thank you.